Right back in the thing, man. This has been brought to you by the RitzCarlo Entertainment. Okay, let's get this first verse going. Yeah, I'm gonna ride with 12 on this joint. All right, on top. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep that slap happening through this joint here. Okay. Next verse, next verse. Okay, I see that. How I want to end that second 12-bar verse. pattern. Let's do that right quick. Okay, this one will do. Let's do this one here. Right here. There we go. Alright, from the top of the chord. Who been in thing? Y'all have been here? Need to sleep. Oh man, this shit really be hard as hell. Y'all make sure y'all tune in tomorrow for Super Peace Sunday. Alright, y'all make sure y'all tune in tomorrow for Super Peace Sunday, man. We just finishing up some tracks right now. Alright, now let's go and add this chorus to this joint, and we'll be done with this track. Put a little outro on it, and shit, we on to another one. Number 3 for the day. Y'all rockin' with me. If y'all just was on the last video, I just cut it off because I got around about 40 minutes. I usually try to keep the videos around like 40 minutes or less, so it'll be easy for me to upload to YouTube as well. Just be tripping when they get too long, so that's how we gonna rock it, man. We're gonna keep these joints, man, short and sweet for the street. Like y'all got some shit to do in the way, but it's all good. That's it. Let me see, do I want to come back with another pattern, or do I just want to rock that whole out? Nope. I'd rather just rock it out with another pattern. Try another one. Yep, that'll roll. Let's bump this up on the top, man. See if we can catch a vibe with this hoe. Try to get them motherfucking levels right. Producers, y'all make sure y'all mix your tracks, man. I don't mix mine to the T when I'm just sending out demos, because I know how niggas will try to go rap on your shit at the other studio. So I don't mix it on purpose. But if you trying to do business with somebody, make sure you take the time to mix your tracks. If you putting them up on these websites where you trying to sell them and lease them and shit, make sure they on point. You know what I'm saying? Because this is one thing I noticed being an engineer, when a lot of niggas just be bringing loose ass beats off YouTube to the studio. DJ Styles, what's up, man? You in this thing? Ken Clement, what's up, man? The one thing I noticed about niggas, and I was even told about this with some of my beats, because, you know, niggas was making beats on Fruity Loop and shit at the time. The motherfucking 808 be hitting too hard. Okay, we got it. You know what I'm saying? You got to make sure that that shit don't drown out the vocals. Make sure that shit don't drown out your centers. I mean, if a nigga got some real slap in his shit, it's gonna pick it up. We don't have to turn this shit up so loud. That was some shit I had to learn myself, you know, because we used to do the bass tech, because, you know, in Memphis, we ride 15s in the trunk. So, you know what I'm saying? We put some shit in the car and you don't hear number bass, then mean you need to go in there and turn that damn bass down a lot. And another thing to be too high, because, you know, we ride with tweeters and shit in the car. Niggas be having they hi-hats too loud, you know. Go in there and fuck with them levels a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Even if you is using packs and shit, go in there and turn them hoes down. Go in there and, you know what I'm saying, fuck with the attack a little bit. Fuck with the, you know what I'm saying, all the different levels, you know what I'm saying. Usually one thing I do when I'm mixing and shit, I try to have my volume about halfway. I don't have my shit up beating loud. I try to have it loud enough where I know what's peaking and what's not supposed to be too loud and shit. That's one thing I love about Maschine, because right here at my fingertips, you know what I'm saying, I'm looking at all my levels and shit right here on the machine. So I'm fucking with this shit right here. My niggas in this hole, man. I appreciate y'all. ATO Willie, what's up, fool? I be watching your videos too. My nigga be out there going hard in the motherfucker on them niggas ass. Fuck them haters, dog. They know what's going on. Shit, I'm trying to wave at you, nigga. Once I think I got shit at a, you know what I'm saying, satisfactory level, then I crank that shit back up. Producers, talk to me, man. How that whole sound? Artists, talk to me. How that whole sound, man? Is we barbecue on the mill doing, man? Shit. Y'all hear these tracks first before I solicit them to anybody, before I start, you know what I'm saying, hit niggas' emails up and shit. Y'all hear this shit first, man, so shit. If this shit sound garbage as hell, it's partially y'all fault too, man, because you couldn't say something. I know they like, man, fuck your beat, nigga. Shit, stop playing. RitzCarlo, man. The hotel. Ma, bad fella, what's up, fool? Alright, that hoe hitting. Alright, bet. Let's go ahead and export this hoe. Another one ready for the streets. Y'all get up with me, man. Let's get this motherfucking shit popping, dog. All this time we got sitting down, goddamn, niggas need to be working, man. So, soon as the clubs open back up, soon as the motherfucking streets, you know what I'm saying, fully open back up, niggas gonna have some motherfucking shit to perform, some shit to put out. We gonna see who's been working, who ain't. Okay. I don't know, y'all fucking with that one? This from one of the recent Super Beat Sundays. So we finna go ahead and finish this hoe right quick. Cuz you ain't gotta do shit with pull up. Lowe's, what's up, fool? You ain't gotta do shit with pull up. Ain't none of you niggas ain't gotta do shit with the pull up. Studio is open. Nigga, this shit is essential. I have not closed. J-Rod, what's up, man? Same video, what's up, fool? Paul, what's up, fool? Mark Draco, what's up, fool? Y'all in this hoe. What just even heard? What's that, Pop? Oh, this machine. Show y'all this shit, bro. I'm making this whole sing, goddammit. I'm gonna make that whole beat like an MPC. Demetrius, what's up, man? Bruh, I'm telling you like this, fool. I grew up worshiping niggas with MPCs and shit. If you go buy a beat machine, go get a machine, man. All bullshit aside. MPC just came out with a new junk though. I ain't gonna lie. My nigga got it. That hoe hard as hell, but check this out. AMPC hoe hard. That hoe hard as a motherfucker. I just fucked around and got the machine first. This hoe came out first and shit. I'd be damned if I go buy another beat machine right now. Unless it's an MPC X. Standalone joint. But other than that, shit, I'm rocking with machine. That hoe hard. Altino, what's up, man? Y'all in this hoe. Rocking with me on the Saturday, man. Just finishing up some tracks and shit. Alright, let's go and get to work, man. I just want to hear that hoe for a minute vibe with y'all. Shit, we finna go and do the boring shit now. Views finna go down like a motherfucker. I already know it. The shit. This the shit right here. This the part niggas need to be paying the most attention to. Structuring your breakdowns and shit. You know what I'm saying? The only advantage I got over a lot of producers is I rap too, so I know what kind of breakdowns and shit rappers want in their shit. You know, a lot of niggas just make beats and shit. They don't have that same kind of vibe that I got. Nah, I ain't ready for that right there. Trying to see how I want to bring this hoe in, man, you know. Nigga gotta have that little spot where they talk that shit, you know what I'm saying? Pop that whip right there. I want that hoe to sound a little gangster. Then we'll probably do some shit I do right here. I don't know, should I start that hoe off like that though? Let's see. Well, I'm trying to decide, do I want to just sneak that shit in on like... Hell yeah, right there. That's it, that's it. You gotta make that shit sound like some gangster shit finna go down. I'm talking about this hoe here is like goddamn Fruit of Loop and MPC put together. Let me see. I still do all the same shit we been doing on tracks, man. I ain't switching up, trying to keep up with these young niggas, but I salute what's going on the beach today. But on me, I'm doing what I've been doing. Alright, we're gonna add in this on this hoe. Yeah. Come on, man. Y'all niggas know where I'm from, man. What you expect? I can do other shit. Do what I do, though. That'll be like a chorus and shit. Now I'll probably go back to 3. I want to break it down a little bit on the head. Alright, let's see how we're going to do this down. First verse. Say what's up, man? Andrea, what's up? What's up? Johnny Kane Snow. Hey, man, say that software slow. Oh, man. Turn that bitch down. Okay, that's hard right there. That's hard right there. Alright, let's cut that up right quick. Trace, what's up, fool? Man said, get you a mouse and a keyboard. I'll tell you. Appreciate y'all checking me out, fool. Share this joint, man. Let these folks know, man. I'm turned for the rest of the day. This where I'm at. Okay. That's hard. Okay. Mark James, what's up, man? Who up in this hole, man? Still up in this hole. Sid, what's up, fool? And scroll back down. Shout out everybody again, man. Andrea, Sid, Paul, King Scope, D Brown. He only use MPC. Demetrius, what's up, man? Altino, what's up? J Rod, Carlo. To my boy, we in this hole. Think on a Saturday. Y'all make sure y'all fuck with me tomorrow, man. Super Beat Sunday, man. Make sure I ain't forgot nobody. Okay, cool. I think I got that first verse. Look pretty solid. I'm gonna roll about 12 bars. What y'all think? 12 bars about cool? Yeah, 12 bars about cool. We don't want a nigga rapping forever and shit. We don't want to go to sleep on your verse, man. Sorry. Let me see. All right, second verse time. Let's get in. Okay, let's see. We're gonna give a couple of things a break on this second verse. Turn that breath down a little bit. Okay. Okay, that shit sound kind of, that shit sound hard to come in on the second verse with. What y'all think? And what's up, man? Okay, let's see how we gonna bring in some more. Cause niggas usually start snapping on that second verse. Yeah, this joint here gonna be heavy on the breakdowns and shit. Okay, we're gonna drop it all the way down this one. Alright, and then we're gonna do a bass solo on the last one. Kind of bring it on home, shit. Pretty simple shit. Some gangsta shit to sneak in the last verse. Alright, now we can put this bass solo in there. We're gonna take all this out. Alright, let's gangsta up this bass solo. Shit, that makes some shit happen, man. Nigga ain't gotta do nothing, come to the yo. If you out of town, shit, We take care of that business on Cash Out. You know, Facebook got some shit where nigga can pay a nigga straight through Facebook. I didn't fucking know that shit. Shit fucked me up when I first saw it. Million ways. Let's do this shit, man. I got an R&B joint in here too that I gotta finish up. Matter of fact, we might go to that whole next. Let's see. Alright. I got 10 patterns for this joint. I think we ready to go ahead and put the chop on this hoe. Alright. The boring part. I really not say this shit, y'all, because if I was doing this shit with you in the room, you would probably be on the fucking floor asleep right now. Wake your punk ass up. Be dropping these motherfucking tracks all motherfucking beat Saturday. Be on the lookout tomorrow for Super Beat Sunday. See, sound like some old gangster shit. That sound like a hard ass intro. Let me put all the shit back in. Hold on. 1 second, y'all. Yeah. Y'all share this joint, man. Let everybody know. This where you need to be getting your tracks from. Let me see. Alright, let's do it. Nope. Wrong. Let's do number 5. Probably number 4. Now we can do number 5. Oh, that's number 3. I'm tripping, y'all. Yep. Still make the crunk shit. Instead of 4, so we need to go to 5 now. Let's see. Building the first verse now. This y'all hear turn, so it's constantly building and shit. Alright. Nope. Not time for that yet. From the top, let's see what we got. Damn. Battery going low, y'all, so we gonna continue this shit in a minute. As always, I appreciate y'all fucking with me, man. Check me out next time. Well, shit, really in the 30 minutes. I'm gonna let this whole charge up. I'm gonna finish up this one, and I'll make sure I don't start another one without y'all. Well, shit, since Anthony finna go live, let's jump over there to Anthony, man. Let's see what he talking about, man. We finna come over there and watch your track making, man. So when you go live, fool, make sure you let us know, and I'm gonna watch your shit while I let the phone charge up. Yo.